Welcome back, everyone. Shout out to my Spotify listeners, Facebook, YouTube, all the major platforms. Thank you for being here. Please subscribe. So, today I want to talk about how to make money window cleaning business. You can start for $1,000 or maybe even cheaper than that. Let's jump right into it. If someone wants to go into home services, has a business mind, and is good with people, you're going to make a fortune. That quote was by Dave Mormon, Revive Washing. That's true because any customer service field, if you have a great business, great quality of work, and you're good with people, you can make great money. That's just any service. Jump right into it. So is window cleaning a good career? That depends. In short, yes. Yes, it is. But you have to think about your long term goals within any business. You can make a great living being a window cleaner, being able to buy my own home and vehicle and turn this into a truly good career. Showed that this is something I could do for my entire life. And that was by Stephen Richardson 2020 window cleaning. How much do window cleaners make? Everyone wants to know that. How much do they make? So the average is about $15 to $25 an hour, 30 to 50,000 per year, and it might go up to 60,000 per year depending on the job. The average high-rise window cleaning salary is starting at 18 per hour. So most of these jobs, you're probably not going to be on a high-rise if you have your own service. If you work at a service at another company, you might be on a high rise. And I was going to say that's probably where you need to start out, at least get a mentor or work with at a company that does this. You don't have to be at a high rise. You can wash McDonald's windows or just residential windows if there's a service out there for that. But know what you're doing first before you jump out there. That's why I always love mentorship. Get a mentor that's already doing it or has been doing it for years and see if you can get under their wings. How much does it cost to start a window cleaning business? Like I said, for $1,000 or less, you can jump right into this. The most important thing is going to be insurance. Insurance runs everything. How to start a window cleaning business, find a mentor, brush up with your customer service, establish your business and get insured, buy window cleaning supplies, decide how to price window cleaning jobs, find and attract new customers, hire a team, expand your service offering, systemize your business, and that probably comes from technology. Find a mentor. Mentors are important when it comes to anything you want to do long term. Like really, long term mentorship is awesome. Brush up on your customer service. Customer service is most important when it comes to this type of business. And you face to face with people every day. Every day when you're face to face with people, customer service, how you look, how you present yourself, how you talk to people, how you come off to them, they all take that into effect. Think about how that person will react to you, to your attire, everything, and most importantly, your quality of work. That's most important to them. Your vehicle, tools, uniforms, documents need to be clean, presentable at all times. Get to know your clients and more fun level. Just the service is more than collecting payments. It's all about the service and quality of work you do. Establish your business and get insured. They're talking about LLC, but make sure you have insurance just in case you break anything. Liability insurance, workman's comp. If you have employees, you get one day you're going to be big and you're going to need help. That's where workman's comp insurance, or you go to high rise cleaning windows insurance will cover you. Buy your window cleaning supplies. You can get like a squeegee, microfiber towels. I have a lot of them as well because I had a commercial cleaning service. Extension pole, T-bar and sleeve, a scraper, cleaning solution in buckets. Regular dish soap works great. That's what they say on here. A ladder, a bidding and invoicing system. These starter tools can be purchased for a few $100s. You know, that's all it takes. But before you get there, get you a mentor or work for a service already doing it so you can get the craft down. I always say master your craft. It's all about that. You can't start off as a Jedi. No, it's a Padawan. You have to start somewhere, but you're not starting off as a Jedi. We use a purified water pole. It's safer, more efficient, and it keeps my guys on the ground, which as an owner is important to me. A purified water pole. There's no telling what kind of technology they got out now to clean windows. And that was by Dave Mormon, Revive Washing. Decide how much you'll charge. Average prices are $3 to $5 per window pane. We're talking about residential, from what I'm looking at now. You can use that for commercial if you want to as well. 3 to 5 windows per window pane, $2 per screen. You will need to charge more for construction cleans and less for high frequency clients. I believe construction will have more dust on there as well because they just building it. They have more people coming in and out, painters and things like that. Find and attract new customers. Cold calling. You go to door, you handing out flyers, posting on Craigslist, different other apps. Make sure you have a Google page, a Google review page. That's important because that's one thing I'll go to when I'm getting with a new business. I look at the reviews. Set up a Google review page if you can. If you just started out, you might not be able to afford it. I believe Google charges about $200 to $300. Some people say it could be free, but I believe they charge to have a Google review page. So look into that. That could be down the road for you. Marketing is going to be important to you. Marketing, social media, handing out flyers, going door to door, things like that. Oh, they have on here, create a Google business listing. Like I said, get you one of those. Important. Number 7, when you get big and start making $200,000 a year, hire a team. It could be a small team, but make sure you have a team that knows what they're doing. Etiquette. It's all about customer service, things like that. 4 to 5 people, that's a pretty good team, you know. Expand your service offering. You can go more than just your inner circle, inner city. You can go beyond the city limits to the next suburbs or whatever. But don't spread yourself too thin when you start out. Make sure you know what you're doing, things like that. You can go to gutter cleaning, pressure washing, soft washing, screen repair, and Christmas light installation. You can offer those services as well as window cleaning. Systemize your business. You know, most important features of window cleaning software include ACRM to keep your client info, bids, billing history in one place, scheduling so you can optimize your time, professional estimates, which you can create from your mobile phone, invoicing and payments. You can use like the TurboTax software for invoicing, a mobile app. I am a mobile notary on my off time. So you can set up a fax machine computer everything in your vehicle. If you are mobile, you sending invoices, you printing out invoices, you want to print out flyers, you can set that up in your vehicle. Get your inverter. Make sure you have the right one, power supply, things like that. Set that up. You don't have to keep coming home, your home office. You can have your home office in your vehicle, van, truck, or whatever. So that's about it, guys. If you have anything else you can add to this video, you want to comment, please comment below. The request quote job system for entering new jobs has been a game changer for us. This is from Steven Richardson of 2020 Window Cleaning. And he's talking about the software, things like that. So make sure you have these businesses in place to help your business. And I call them businesses because it's all about, if you want to make money, you have to have entrepreneurship mindset. You have to know what you're doing. Dress the part. Everything is a business, and we're going to treat it like a business. See you guys next time on Financial Pro.